Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this new headband unit. I have it in two colors, so if you guys are interested in knowing all about it, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in, today we have two headband units by Zuri, one in 1B and one is Som RT2730. So this is their new amazing headband wig, and it tells you everything about application on the stock card and all the wash care instructions and everything like that. So here's the Som RT27. It's very beautiful. It has brown roots. Now this is what I really love about this unit. It does have a soft velour type of headband that comes with it, and it also is velcro in the back, of course, like all the traditional ones, and this actually feels like a wig grip, and it does make the wig fit really good and secure on your head. This unit also comes with two combs in the front as well as a comb in the back, and it does not have adjustable straps. As far as shedding and tangling with this unit, I experienced very minimal, if any at all. And here is how the unit falls on me. So I am 5'2" and I have a shorter neck, and on me it's falling between like a 24 to 26 inch. And here I'm going to show you guys that it does come with roots, so if you want to pull it up into a ponytail, you can do that without being clocked. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how it looks in the 1B color, and these wigs, excuse me, look so amazing. They look like human hair, and I am just absolutely obsessed. Super kudos to Zuri because these are absolutely amazing. But yeah, overall I really do like them, and they are big head friendly. They are actually average head friendly, but they're also big head friendly. As you guys know, I have a larger size head, and I'll finish out with my closing thoughts. Okay divas, so today I am in a different setting, different clothes, different look and everything, because I just did that video yesterday, or was it earlier today? I don't know, but I was just not feeling it after I watched the footage, so I just wanted to come and quickly close out the video and let you guys know how I feel about it. I just wasn't feeling my background, and it just really threw everything off. But anyways, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it. As you guys seen, I do have it in two different colors. So today I decided to rock it out with the blonde because I don't know, this is just so freaking pretty. So just quickly an overview. First of all, Zuri did their thing with this unit. This hair is absolutely soft and it looks really flawless. Like, I really do love it. I didn't even put on a headband, girl. Like, I'm loving this little velour type of headband thing they have going on. You could definitely put it on just like a headband on top of this, just like you will with the other ones. One thing that I really love about this cap construction is the fact that this does, like, it holds on like a wig grip. So that's one thing that I really do like, so you don't have to worry about your wig like sliding back because of the material on here. So kudos to Zuri for that. And it's also soft like on your edges. Like, in this area, like, I'm more sensitive, and then especially because I shave my edges, I do want something that is going to be soft, like if I wanted to wear this as a full unit. So I feel like that is really nice, and plus it looks cute like by itself, so I like that as well. Now the quality of this hair is really nice. I am really loving it. It looks and feel like human hair. It is like a light yaki texture, and I really am liking that. I feel like it's just so freaking pretty, and it even feels amazing with the blonde and the black color, or the 1B color. With this one, I did notice that I did experience some shedding. It was nothing that was too excessive, but I did experience some shedding, whereas with the black one I didn't experience any at all. Like, if there was any at all, I didn't experience any shedding or tangling. I didn't experience tangling with this unit either. These units are absolutely gorgeous, and for the price, I'm just so freaking surprised. Zuri really came through for us, okay, with this one. And this one is called Eula, and I have her in the color 2730 on right now, and then I also got her in the 1B color, and these are definitely going to be my favorites. I can't even keep my hands out of the hair. It's just so soft. Another thing I wanted to note is that it is rooted throughout, so if you wanted to put it up in a ponytail or a half up half down, you will not be clogged because it is rooted with that throughout. So don't worry about that at all. So yeah, kudos to Zuri for that as well. I just think that this is a well put together headband wig. Is just really nice and I love it, and I really do love the price. I definitely feel like you guys should place this in your wig arsenal. It is like very comparable to the human hair units as far as like the quality and everything like that. They even have different colors that you can choose from as well, which I want to get like the I want to get the burgundy color, and I really want all the colors, if I'm gonna be honest. Like I want all the colors, like all the colors with a root. Like I really want it. But yeah, divas, overall this is a very fabulous unit, and I would definitely recommend it. If you guys are interested, I will definitely have a link down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. I found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous divas did, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to know what you fabulous girls think about this unit. Let me know if you're gonna try it, how you like it on me, and yeah, or if you have it, let me know what color you got it in and how you like it. And yeah, make sure you go ahead and leave me a comment. I would love to communicate with you fabulous divas. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you fabulous divas in my next video. Bye.